I am about to unbox an RTX 3080 that I picked up at MicroCenter a couple days ago. It is the Evga Xc3 Ultra. Alright, let's see what we got here. There's the first seal. And there's number two. As well, open it from the top. There we go. And it's in a clear plastic case. And let's see what we got here. Looks like this is the HDMI to DVI adapter. Won't be needing that. And then shield. And here's the GPU. So let's open up the plastic clamshell, take a peek inside. We have some more, instructions. We probably won't need those. And here is the GPU. It looks like it's covered with protective plastic around the shroud. And of course there's a PCIe cover. And the back plate seems to have the clear protection film as well. I feel like it's smaller than I expected as far as the length and the width, but it's thicker also than I expected. And here we have the dual 8-pin. So I'll have some content coming up on this card specifically. Here's the little red piece that everybody is talking about. I would agree, I'd probably rather that be black, but what are you going to do? Alright, stay tuned for the content. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.